Kapil Sharma is a famous Indian stand-up comedian, television presenter, actor and producer. He is massively recognized for hosting the most famous television show titled The Kapil Sharma Show. He previously hosted the television comedy shows Comedy Nights with Kapil and Family Time with Kapil. Ormax Media rated him the most popular Indian television personality in April 2016. He is a multi-talented person and has great singing, acting and comedy skills. Let's talk about Kapil Sharma's lifestyle. His real name is Kapil Sharma. His nickname is Kappu Tony. He was born on 2nd April 1981, Amritsar, Punjab. His hometown is in Amritsar, Punjab, India. By profession, he is a comedian, actor, singer, and producer. Since his childhood, he wanted to be a singer, but later he chose to be a comedian. He is a multi-talented person and has great singing, acting, and comedy skills. He struggled a lot in his life to help his family financially. While he was in 10th standard, he used to work in a PCO. He also worked in a cloth mill for a few months. After that, he started doing theatre and also did some small shows. He later started participating in comedy shows and earned huge success. He is very close to his family members and always gives credit to his mother for his success. When he won the comedy reality show, The Great Indian Laughter Challenge, he received the prize money of 10 lakh which he spent on the wedding of his sister. Kapil has done campaigning to save animals and adopt homeless animals like cats and dogs. He has also campaigned for the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan to keep the society clean. His education. Kapil Sharma completed his schooling from Shri Ram Ashram Sen School. He earned his graduation degree from Amritsar Hindu College. His family. He belongs to a middle-class family. His father was late Jitendra Kumar Punj, who was a head constable in Punjab Police. His mother's name is Janak Rani, who is a homemaker. His brother's name is Ashok Kumar Sharma and his sister's name is Pooja Sharma. His wife is Ginni Chatrat. His career journey. During his college days, he used to participate in singing, dancing, and drama competitions. He received several awards at that time. In 2006, he took part in a Punjabi comedy reality show that aired on MH1. After that, he took part in another Punjabi comedy show, The Great Punjabi Comedy Show. In 2007, he participated in Hindi comedy reality show, The Great Indian Laughter Challenge, Season 3, and won the show. He also participated in many other comedy shows. He made his acting debut in 2010 by playing the role of Thakur's son in the Bollywood film Bhavnaon Ko Samjho. He later founded his own production company, K9 Productions, in 2013. In 2013, he started hosting his own comedy show, Comedy Nights with Kapil. It later became the highest rated script television show in India. He hosted several awards shows. In 2015, he got the lead role in the Bollywood film Kiss Kisko Pyar Karu. In 2016, he started hosting another comedy show, The Kapil Sharma Show, that aired on Sony Entertainment Television. In 2017, he produced and acted in the Bollywood film Firangi, but the film failed at the box office. In 2018, he again started running his comedy show Family Time with Kapil Sharma and hosted along with actress Neha Pendes. His net worth: salary approximately 60 to 80 lakh per episode. Net worth approximately $10 million. Car collection: Kapil Sharma has a lots of cars which includes luxury brands such as Mercedes-Benz S350, Range Rover Evoque, Volvo XC90. He has also a special featured DC vanity van. Relationship status: earlier, he had an affair with the creative director Preeti Shimos. He lived in a relationship with actress Ginni Chatrat, and the duo got engaged in 2013. Kapil Sharma tied the knot with Ginni Chatrat on 12 December 2018 in Jalandhar, Punjab. Together, they have a baby girl who was born in December 2019.